I'm telling you guys, you can't run from it. Samoans are meant to do chores on public holidays. Talo for guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Just on my way to the cattle farm to pour some water for the cows. Uncle and Loy are going to pick up taro for American Samoa while I head down to the cattle farm to pour some water for the cows. There's a lot of cow tracks here. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. See you guys soon. Another great thing about walking to the cattle farm today, lose some of that Christmas food we've been eating. A lot of fatty foods, so I've been asleep all morning. Honestly, remember, if you guys saw the previous episode, our Christmas episode, was really busy early on in the morning, all the way up until night, preparing the stuff for the church carnival we had. So, been asleep all morning. It's now 4 o'clock. I think 3 or 4 o'clock. Just woken up. So tired, so well, might as well go check on the cows. Got the usual gang. Let's go. I think they're super excited as well that we're coming to the cattle farm. They need the exercise too. Wondering why the dogs are facing that side. These dogs are not your normal average dogs. These are highly trained dogs. So you see rugby players during halftime, they all huddle up and face the wind and then breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. That's what the dogs were doing. So the wind's coming from that side and they all face the wind and they're like, alright guys, so finally here. Just gonna walk over to the cattle farm, check on the cows. See you guys there. All right, finally here, cows. Just giving them water. Actually drank a lot of water, so all okay. Just having a look around here at the plantation. So I think we'll show you guys around the plantation this time, and have a look at how we're doing stuff here. Okay, so it's actually raining now, so was just in time. Just gonna count the cows, just check if they're all here, and then I will head back home. So just finished counting the cows, they're all here. So spoke too soon. There was one cow that was outside while I was trying to count. I thought there was one cow. I was right, there was one cow missing, but I thought it might have been in the back, but it was just crying inside of the plantation. So I've actually got him to come as close as I can. There you go. But I don't have the keys to the lock, so I'm trying to open up this, chase these guys away from the gate so I can get that guy in here. I actually cut my hand a few times trying to unravel this barbed wire. So the key is, I'm trying to do it slowly, so because we've actually got the electric fence on set up at the moment, so the cows have been used to going outside, and I mean leaving the gate when we tell them to leave though. But so when the gate opens like this, or they hear the gate open, they tend to come and crowd up at the gate, but we don't want that because they're not actually going outside. I'm actually trying to get the cows to go in. Ah, jeez. Thought I was over, but I've got one more at the bottom. Far out. All right, now we've cleared the gate. We're gonna try and come at the back of this guy and then get him to go inside. So that's the key to this. Don't spook him too much. Try and get him to go inside. Big. See, that's why it's hard trying to do this by yourself. So I was trying to head outside to bring in the other cow, but the other cow wanted to come outside. Now we've got to keep an eye on the gate at the same time while trying to go get the other cow in case I'm too far away and then the whole line of cows come going outside. If only I was cross-eyed. Bruh. And I can keep one eye on the gate and one eye on the cow. Big. Alright, so far so good. Gotta make yourself big, you know. Trying to flank all sides. Alright. Just tore my shoe. That's okay. We gotta keep going. It's almost there, buddy. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. There you go. There you go, baby. Woo! And that, my friend, is how you chase a cow inside by yourself. Whew. Now I need to tie this all back up. Far out. Yeah, buddy. I'd sit down and fix my shoe. Eee. And that, my friend, is the end of today's episode. I'm actually just gonna get ready now to head home. I hope you guys did enjoy today's content. You know, it's Boxing Day here in Samoa. Still gotta do the chores, you know. But I hope you guys have a good Christmas rest on Boxing Day. Be sure to take care of yourselves. Enjoy responsibly, guys. But we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. And we'll see you then, guys. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. Thank you again for the support, guys. Really appreciate it. The channel's growing really well, so we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, guys.